welcome back to my channel, which today will be Seira Health Kitchen. So I'm gonna show you guys one of my favorite breakfast meal. It's called Soufflé Omelette with egg white. And this is great because it's easier to cook than the most other soufflé and easier to flip than a regular omelette. But the most important thing is healthy and really good workout, and I promise it's gonna be delicious. So let's get this egg rolling. Egg white I put in the large bowl. It's not the bowl, it's a ramen bowl, but I don't have the large bowl. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. Oh my god, this smells so good. Truffle in here. And then add some salt. But actually I have another trick. I just gotta do like this. I think it's easier and faster. You see? I think it's too much. At the beginning of quarantine, I didn't know what I was doing, trying to cook new meals, burning my food every day. Now I know that during this time, simple is best. Itadakimasu! Let's eat! Let me try first. Ooh, look at this. It's yummy. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's cook together, and you can leave me a picture in the comment or give me some love, and don't forget to give me thumbs up please, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. And make sure you guys are staying safe and be healthy. I know this situation is tough. I sometimes don't have a great day, trust me. We are not always going to be positive, but if we try to focus on the positive, it will make this whole situation a lot better. I love you guys. If we are all in this together, then we can get through it. Please stay home and I will see you next week. Jane, bye bye.